welcome to the channel. I am Mr. Gaza. Happy New Year and wish you all the best for 2026. Nothing but the best. Everyone here on the Gaza Performance Garage, all of my OG members, thank you. Listen, today we're going to work on a 2019 Ford Mustang, and not the GT. This is the 4-cylinder Mustang, but that's not what we're going to focus on right now. What we're going to do is we will be installing the Euro lights for the Ford Mustang. Currently this car comes equipped with a 4-cylinder turbo. I love these cars are sleepers, I'm telling you. And here is a picture of this beautiful car. All right, we're going to show you step by step how to install these lights, these tail lights, and the Euro lights. Should be very simple, very simple. Make sure you have the clip, the tool to remove all these clips, and make sure you have your 10mm socket just to pull them out and get everything done right and done the right way, clean too. Well, let's go ahead and get to work. Okay, my friends, first of all, I'm going to have to remove this back panel here behind it. It's simple, just screw these pins off. And these are usually for the net, if you have a net. And there are usually 4 of them. All right, so we got like 4 of these. All right, that's out. Let me put these away. So you got 1 removed right there, 2, and it's on the other side as well. All right, let's go ahead and remove this backsplash. And here we have a portion. Here we have a portion of the bolts that are holding in the tail lights. So now what we're going to do is use the tool to remove these pieces and give us some way. Okay, so in order to basically remove this piece, we're going to have to remove that clip right there just to get the light detached. So all you got to do is squeeze this end, lift it up, and pull it out. Okay, my friends, now the other side. It's going to be tricky because now you're going to have to remove the subwoofer. This is actually a really good add-on to the Ford Mustang. The subwoofer is pretty nice to have. And then we can, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to have to remove the subwoofer, get it out the way, and we can gain access to that light. All right, here we go, my friends. We cleaned out the entire area to have access to the 4, it looks like 14mm bolts that is holding in the subwoofer. And after we remove that, we can gain access to the clip and pull it forward, and then we can put it in. All right, so we got our 13mm impact. I'm gonna remove these. Swivel head. See what happens when you have the right tools, my friend. The job is easy. Now, let us get this out the way. This is perfect. I love this. Man, Ford Mustangs need to have this, dude. Plugged out. Love it. All right, as you can see right here, I have access to everything. Nice. So now we're gonna remove this pin and peel it, and then pull the other 10mm in the back. pulling this pin. Very good to have a tool like this. $10mm. All right, let me peel this back. I am going to go and pull the other one right up in the top. You may not be able to see it. This is what we're going to do. Alright, I'm going to push it out. There we go. So, remember it's 3. Just be careful. Press this. Wiggle it. See? Just wiggle it and pull it out. Hey, what's up, my friends? Now we're back. This taillight comes in 2 pieces, and you're gonna have to use a long flathead screwdriver and pry up underneath this clip to push it up, because you don't want to just wedge on it from the outside. You can break the clip off, and God knows I don't want to know how much this shit costs. And there's another clip right there. You're going to use the screwdriver flathead and push up under it and remove it. As I said before, this part comes in 2 pieces. Take a note on how the base of that clip looks. All right, take a note on how this looks. So you're going to do the basic thinking skills, and then you just basically align it up to the clip holes. Do it like that. Push it in. So you have a solid unit right now. I just wanted to show you guys that this new tail light, the Eurolight, comes with its own clip, and you're going to have to reuse. You cannot reuse the factory clip. You have to use the clip that they provide for you. You just have to follow the rules on that. Here we go, guys. The Eurolights have been installed on the Mustang. Wow, they look so nice. Oh shit, I like them. Yeah, you got to do a lot of stuff just to get them in. It's pretty much high intense. Hey, what's up? Thank you for watching today's show. It was a blast working on that S550 Mustang, and hopefully you can hear me properly without the road noises and stuff like that. Thank you for watching the show. Listen, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell for all the greatest from the Gaza Performance Garage, and also share it. All right, this is how simple and easy it is, even with a subwoofer located in these Mustangs. And it's very simple, plug and play, easy to do. Do not panic. You can do it. I believe in you. All right, please make me proud. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And as always, Happy New Year 2026, and welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. Peace, love, and happiness. I'm out.
If your playlist needs a refresh, you're in luck. Check this out. I've got 2 brand new videos just for you. Dive in, enjoy, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the comments.